How to create parallel lines like this in Photoshop, PC or Mac. Go to File and New and go with 2000, 2144 for the DPI, RGB colour and click Create. Then go over here to the gradient tool, press G on the keyboard. Go with the classic gradient and go with the default gradient white to black. You can change it to any other gradient if you wish. And linear. Go to the left side, click and drag and hold down the shift and release when you get to the other side. So you've got white to black. Then go to edit and just down here to define pattern. Now if you use a document bigger than 3,000 or 4,000, 5,000, etc., you may find define pattern is not available. Give it a name and then click OK. Then go over here to layer and new fill layer and pattern. Give it a name, click OK, and then just go over here and select the pattern you just created. Just go down to the bottom and select that. There it is. And you can set the scale to 5% is the lowest. If you want to create something smaller, simply just create a slightly smaller design in the first place, and then it will create smaller or more narrow lines. Then you can set the angle, say 45 for lovely diagonal lines like that, and then click OK. Of course, the gradient could be anything you want, so it could be greens, blues, etc. as well. It doesn't have to be just white to black. What you can then do is you can rasterize the layer, turn it into a smart objects, etc., or just go to layer and flatten image. Once you've done that, you can also then apply some filter effects. Just go to filter and go to distort and then wave or zigzag, etc. I'm just going to use wave with the default settings, click randomize and run through different settings there and click OK. Once you've got that, you can apply again by using the repeat option. Just go up to filter and you can see there you've got the last filter used. Just select that and apply it multiple times. You can also, of course, use the shortcut. It does create something that looks very, very much like Jupyter's surface. Very unusual design.